Hello everyone, and very good afternoon. As you know, my name is Gagan Arora, and on behalf of the entire IQOO team, I would like to welcome all of you to our first smartphone launch. And I would like to call them on stage, Milind Soman, Lauren, and Karan Kundra.
So after hearing from Gagan what IQOO is all about, I am thrilled to show you all the IQOO 3, our very first product in India. Starting with the performance, I am proud to tell you all that IQOO is powered by the best in the segment, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865.
We have Adreno 650 GPU.
IQOO 3 comes with LPDDR5 RAM. IQOO 3 has the latest UFS 3.1 standard. IQOO 3 has the highest, yes, the highest Antutu score for any Android smartphone in the world, which is 6,10,576. This is an achievement, guys. IQOO 3 has this amazing curves and edges, which are inspired from a futuristic sports car. And that's not all. IQOO 3 comes in 3 amazing colors: Tornado Black, Quantum Silver, and my personal favorite, Volcano Orange. IQOO 3 will be a 5G ready smartphone. IQOO 3 comes with 55 watt super flash charge. IQOO 3 has a massive battery of 4,440 mAh. With this revolutionary technology, IQOO 3 can charge up to 50% in just 15 minutes. IQOO 3 has a beautifully designed polar view display with just 2.98 mm tiniest front camera in the segment. It has E3 Super AMOLED 6.44 inches display, along with 800 nits full screen brightness and 1200 nits peak level brightness. IQOO 3 is also SDR10 Plus enabled. IQOO 3 has a new gen in-display fingerprint scanner. We have found that while playing games for longer durations, the gamers need to put higher thumb effort, which results in fatigue. And to solve this issue, we have come up with 2 pressure-sensitive buttons on the side frames to make sure that we have a better holding experience when you are playing your favorite game. We have the L-shaped capsule data cable. IQOO 3 also has a secret that will further enhance your gaming experience, and that is multi-turbo. My personal favorite is the 4D game vibration. It gives you real-time gaming experience like never before. Moving forward, IQOO 3 also has the 180 Hz super touch response rate. IQOO 3 is also equipped with carbon fiber VC cooling technology. So IQOO 3 features a powerful 48 MP quad camera setup. It has a 48 MP camera for clarity, telephoto with 20x digital zoom, 120-degree wide angle with macro, and bokeh lens for better depth effects. IQOO 3 is equipped with AK4377A high chipset, independent chipset, which will help to reduce the distortion and improve the fidelity. In IQOO 3, we have kept 2 types of desktop designs. One is the sandwich style, and the other one is the desktop sprawl. It has the monster performance, revolutionary technology, ultimate gaming experience, pro photography, and the IQOO UI.
All IQOO consumers will be eligible for free pick and drop service to get their phones repaired. So that's the first one. Second, they would not need to visit any service center or stand in a queue. There will be 2 versions, 4G and 5G. 4G for 8 GB RAM and 128 GB variant. The price will be 36,990. Other 4G variant for 8 GB RAM and 256 GB of storage. The price will be 39,990. For the 5G variant, it comes with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB of storage, and the price is 44,990. IQOO 3 will be available on Flipkart from 4th March onwards. Along with that, you will also get Rs 3,000 cashback on your ICICI card, credit card and debit cards.